Hello, boys and girls. So, we have been learning about two-digit addition with regrouping since yesterday. So, what we're going to do today is that we're going to do some practice problems in your math journal. So, you're going to follow along with me in your math journal, boys and girls. All right? So, whatever I write, you write it in your math journal. So what I'm going to do is that I'm going to give you addition problems, and you're going to solve them using the strategy that you like, the one that you prefer, the one that you know the best. Don't choose another strategy to follow. So I'm going to give you that addition problem. You're going to solve it with the strategy that you like, and then what I'm going to do is that I'm going to solve that same addition problem using all of the strategies that I taught you. So, let's get started. I'm going to use a different type of background. So, let me go ahead and change my background. Okay, so pretend that this is my journal, okay, boys and girls, and you're going to do the exact same thing. So, I'm going to write an addition problem, and I'm going to give you time. You're going to pause the video, solve it by yourself, and then you're going to play the video again in order to check your answer. So, my addition problem is 22 plus 19. Go ahead and pause the video so that you can solve this addition problem using the strategy that you prefer. Alright, now that you're back with me, I am going to go ahead and solve this problem. The first one that I'm going to do is the combining the tens and ones. And for this strategy, remember, we use horizontal addition sentence. So I'm going to put my ones with my ones and my tens with my tens. I'm going to add my ones. So I have 9, 10, 11. Plus my tens. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, but since it's in the tens place, the value is 30. So 30 plus 11 equals to 41. So I'm going to do the same thing, this time using a different addition strategy. So if you like this strategy and you got it correct, go ahead and give yourself a check mark. If you got it incorrect, mark it wrong and write it the way that I did so that you can have the correct answer in your journal. Alright, so I'm going to do 22 plus 19 again, this time using my place value chart. So I'm going to divide right here, and I'm going to separate my ones and tens. And I'm going to add 2 plus 9. 2 plus 9 is equal to 11. My 1 in the ones place drops down. And my other one flies to the tens place. So 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Plus 1 more is equal to 4. Now, a mistake that I saw some of you guys do in your exit ticket was that you were not adding the 1 on the top. You forgot, some of you, to add this one right here. This one is very important, boys and girls. Don't forget to add it. So my answer is 41. Now I'm going to do the same problem, 22 plus 19, using my expanded form. So 22 in expanded form is 20 plus 2. 19 in expanded form is 10 plus 9. Some of you yesterday were forgetting to draw this line right here. Don't forget to draw it, boys and girls. So I'm going to start off with my ones. 2 plus 9 is 11. 20 plus 10 is equal to 30. So 30 plus 11 is equal to 41. All right, boys and girls, so I'm going to do a different math problem, addition problem. And remember, solve the problem using the addition strategy that you like. So when I'm solving, the addition problem with the addition strategy, I have the hiccups, guys, sorry. The addition strategy that you like, the one that you use, that's the one that you're going to copy in your journal. Don't copy every single strategy that I'm doing. You copy the one that you prefer, the one that you like. So, my addition problem is going to be 34 plus 57. Okay? Remember, the addition sentence depends on what addition strategy you're going to use. So if your addition strategy is going to be a vertical, in vertical you use it vertically. If your addition strategy is the one where you have to use it horizontally, you write your addition problem horizontally. So go ahead and pause the video to solve the problem. Once you're ready, click on play. Alright, boys and girls, 34 plus 57. I'm going to add my ones first and then my tens. So 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. But since it's in the tens place, the value is 80. So 80 plus 11 is equal to 91. If this is a the addition strategy that you like, copy it down in your journal. I'm going to solve the same problem and using a different strategy. 34 plus 57. I'm going to use my place value chart. And I'm going to add my ones place first. 4 plus 7 is equal to 11. I drop down my 1 in the ones place, and my other one flies to the tens. Now I'm going to add my tens place, and I'm not going to forget to add this 1 right here. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. So my answer is 91. If this is the addition strategy that you like, write this one in your journal. 34 plus 57. 34 in expanded form is 30 plus 4. 57 in expanded form is 50 plus 7. And remember, line up your numbers correctly. Look how I lined mine up. My ones with my ones, my tens with my tens, and then my line right here on the bottom. 4 plus 7 is 11. 30 plus 50 is 80. So my answer is 91. If this is the addition strategy that you prefer, write this one in your journal. Okay, another one. 16 plus 27. Pause the video to solve the addition problem with the addition strategy that you prefer. Alright, boys and girls, 16 plus 27, using this strategy, I'm going to add my ones with my ones, my tens with my tens. 6 plus 7 is 13. 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. And remember, that's in the tens place, so it's 30. So 30 plus 13 is 43. If this is the addition sentence that you like, write it in your journal. 16 plus 27, using this strategy. And you know what? Let me give myself a little bit of more space. My ones and my tens. So 6 plus 7 is 13. My 3 drops to the ones place. My 1 flies to the tens place. So now I'm going to add my tens place. 1 plus 1 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. 43. I'm going to solve the same problem using the strategy with expanded form. So 10 plus 6, because the value of the 1 is 10, the value of the 6 is 6. And then 20 plus 7. Because the value of the 2 is 20 and the value of my 7 is 7. 6 plus 7 is 13. 10 plus 20 is 30. So 30 plus 13 is equal to 43. If this is the addition strategy that you prefer, go ahead and write this one in your journal. Alright, boys and girls, we're going to do one more. And when you are done, I want you to try the best to do the post assessment. So this one, I'm going to just review with you all of the different strategies so that you can see. So let's say that our addition problem is 28 plus 39. So using this 28 plus 39, I'm going to do it like this. Remember, ones and ones together, tens and tens together. 8 plus 9 is 17. 2 plus 3 is 5. But since it's in the tens place, the value is 50. So my answer is 67. All right. Now I'm going to do it again, but using the other strategies. Let me try to make this. There you go. Okay, so now I'm going to use it. Do the next strategy, which is my place value strategy. 8 plus 9 is 17. My 7 drops to my ones place. My 1 flies to my tens. And I'm not going to forget to add this 1. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. And the last strategy that we learned was 28 plus 39 was in expanded form. 20 plus 8, 30 plus 9, 8 plus 9 is 17, 20 plus 30 is 50, so our answer was 67. Alright, boys and girls, go ahead and take your post assessment, and I hope you enjoyed the video. Have an awesome day.